A pandemic number, not large enough to make you uncomfortable, but impactful enough to make you ponder. And take note of the gravity and the emotion attached to the possible scenarios. It's about 577 children orphaned in 55 days, losing both parents to the second wave of COVID-19. Let's first talk about the official take on the issue. Union Ministry of Women and Child Development says all of these children are with their immediate families at present and their needs are being addressed. According to reports widely published in the mainstream media, the government has decided to allocate 10 lakh rupees per district under the Integrated Child Protection Scheme of the ministry for the welfare of these children. Many states like Delhi, Punjab and Madhya Pradesh have already announced welfare measures including free education apart from financial assistance for these children.
ऐसे बच्चे जिनके दोनों माँ बाप की मौत हो गई, उन दोनों माँ बाप की चाहे कोरोना से मौत हुई या ऐसे भी परिवार हो सकते हैं जिसमें एक माँ बाप में से एक पहले से ही उसकी मौत हो चुकी थी और जो दूसरे थे उनकी अब कोरोना से मौत हो गई। मतलब दोनों में से एक की कम से कम कोरोना से मौत हुई और बच्चे अब अनाथ हो गए हैं। ऐसे में हर बच्चे को 2,500 रुपये महीना दिया जाएगा 25 साल की उम्र तक और उन बच्चों की शिक्षा फ्री की जाएगी, उन बच्चों को मुफ्त शिक्षा दिलवाई जाएगी।
Government sources said that if such children need counseling, a team at the National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences is ready to provide help. Some media reports also quoted government sources as saying that most of these requests for adoption on social media were found to be fake. Authorities are also on high alert as orphan children could be used for trafficking in the name of adoption. So they are being extra cautious in dealing with such requests. Social media has played an important role, and as per an Indian Express report, government officials started investigating the issue of COVID orphans after messages for adopting them started flooding the social media platforms. Though official number could be far from the real figures, as many states are yet to share the information. For instance, Delhi has just one COVID orphan in this period. It is not even close to exaggerated number many had claimed and shared online. These vulnerable COVID orphans will have to bear agony of the extreme loss for decades to come. They need empathy, kindness and protection. And as we as human beings, a society, a country, cannot and must not fail them. If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.